It is Marky from WhereIDive.com. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you sound effects. And so first of all we're going to have to create a new sound. Create sound. I'm going to call this gunshot. Gamemaker comes with some very rubbish start sounds, but I'm just going to use them for the sake of it. I think Gun 5 probably sounds the best of all the rubbish ones. Right, so okay. Now we're going to open the player object, space. Then we're going to go to here, play sound. Gunshot, and make sure it's set to false. Okay. Okay. Now if we run our game, okay, that's that for this tutorial, and it was stay tuned for tomorrow for the next tutorial. Anyway, thanks for watching.